Car must-haves from Amazon Part 4. This portable mini fridge is awesome for drinks, your lunch, or if you're going on a road trip and need to keep food cold. It plugs into your cigarette lighter and you can turn it to cool or to warm. This sticky anti-slip pad that allows you to keep things on your dash without them sliding off. This gel putty that picks up any dust or crumbs from nooks and crannies and just helps you to keep your car nice and clean. An organizing bin for your trunk so it's not a complete disaster. In it I have the portable vacuum that I've shared before, a flashlight, jumper cables. If your kids do sports, this is awesome, or some extra diapers. It has pockets for storage and different compartments. This tracker has a lot of cool features like being able to get notified every time it enters or leaves a certain area and being able to see the pattern of a car. And lastly, if you have an older car, this FM transmitter is great. You can make phone calls and plug it into your cigarette lighter so you can listen to your own music.
Amazon favorites, part 27. This acrylic tissue box. This organizer for Q-tips and cotton pads. This cereal dispenser is a fun way to grab your breakfast every morning, and it looks really cool on your countertop. These glasses for coffee drinks or smoothies. This Himalayan scrub is an amazing exfoliator that I use all over my body. And lastly, this brush to lengthen and separate my eyelashes.
Even more random crap that TikTok made me buy from Amazon. This flat water bottle, because apparently if I just slide that into my bag, I'll drink more water. This eye mask that has built-in Bluetooth headphones, which is actually really comfortable. These dry soap sheets that you just take out, put between your hands, lather together, and you've always got soap to be able to wash your hands. And these scrunchies, because if you put scrunchies on your wrist when you wash your face, the water doesn't run all the way down your arms.